A problem has arose with the 77 Dodge. It's got a 360 V8 in her, and the problem is it's not starting. So we just put a new fuel pump in it and fuel filter, and it was starting the other day just fine, and now it won't start. So I'm wondering if there's a grounding error or what, but when I have this terminal, when I have the actual negative on it, the lights will light up fine, but this brake light will come on. If I pull the lights out, the lights work fine, and they don't dim or anything. The battery has been checked as good, so the battery is good. So I'm having a connection issue here. Down here by the starter, I'm guessing, maybe there's a problem with that, or something else. I'm not sure the best way to go about troubleshooting this bad boy. Some of the guys said hit the solenoid, while it's trying to start. I don't know. I haven't got the foggiest, and I mean this is like a crazy mismatch piss podge of everything. So, a step-by-step probably would be great if someone could post that on the best way to troubleshoot this, I guess. Any help would be greatly appreciated. So, right down there is the fuel pump, way down there. That's new because it was leaking. So, yeah, just a sucky deal. All right. Hopefully you can help. Any idea is great.